Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add background music on videos on Android. If you're using an Android phone and you want to add background music, so let's see how can do that. First of all, open Play Store, then go for search, and here you just have to search for CapCut. Just search for that, and here just install this app. You just have to wait for its installation, then we'll have a simple setup and let's see how can we add background music on any video. So just wait for its installation. After installation, just tap on open and the app will be open in your phone, and here just tap on agree and continue, and then you can just skip this process. And I have now you just have to tap on edit and then tap on new project, and here just select allow all, then turn on notifications, and here just select any video. Let's say I'm going to select this one, just tap on it, then tap on this icon, and here just tap on add, and the video will be added. Now you just have to add a music here, so here's the add audio option, just tap on it, and here you just have to add an audio. You have to mute this one and then just select audio. Now you just have to select in which way you want to add audio here. Here different ways. I'm going to select brand music here, and here you just have to sign in. So I'm going to select sounds from here, and here just select any sound which you want to set as that. Just tap on the download icon to download the sound. As I'm going to download this funk music, just tap on it, then tap on plus icon, and it will be added. Now just tap on export, and here it is exporting. So you just have to wait for it, and after that your video will be successfully downloaded with the added background music. So that's how you can easily add background music on video on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.